In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Notion habit tracker in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get organized. First things first, we want to make sure we're logged into our Notion account. If you haven't already done so, open up your browser, navigate to Notion, and enter your account credentials. Once you're logged in, we're ready to start building our custom habit tracker. Now that we're inside Notion, let's go ahead and create a new page. This is where our habit tracker will live, so click the New Page option on the sidebar. Once you've created the new page, we need to give it a title. Naming it Habit Tracker is a straightforward choice here, as it helps keep everything neatly organized and easily identifiable. The next step is to create a table view, which will serve as the backbone of our habit tracker. To do this, in your newly named Habit Tracker page, simply type in Table View and select the database table from the options that appear. This feature provides a structured and versatile format that is perfect for habit tracking. Once your table is ready, it's time to set up the columns that will track your habits. The first column will likely be the date or day of the week, depending on how you want to organize your tracking schedule. This helps you keep track of when each habit is performed. After that, start adding columns for the specific habits you want to monitor. For each habit you wish to track, add a new checkbox column. Checkboxes provide a simple, visual way to determine whether a task has been completed or not. For instance, if you plan to track habits like exercising or meditating, create a checkbox column with the name of each habit. Each day you complete the habit, you'll click the checkbox in the corresponding box for that day. To make your habit tracker even more effective and visually appealing, you can modify the colors of your tables. This is a great way to differentiate between different habits or to track your progress at a glance. To do this, click on the settings for the table view and look for the conditional color options. Here, you can assign specific colors to specific conditions, like marking completed tasks with a green color. This color coding system helps you quickly identify your achievements and areas that might need more attention. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up a sleek and personalized habit tracker in Notion that's ready to help you stay on top of your goals. Remember, consistency is key when building habits, and with this tracker, you'll have a handy tool to keep you motivated and on the right track. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tracking.